changed for markets in last 1 month. Incrementally, if you really think about it, the deep bulge actually seems to be there in some of the mid and the small cap stocks. What do we have on the Nifty? Very flat start with no bias per se. The breadth has done phenomenally well, and the breadth is doing exceedingly well today in terms of the market open as well. The small and the mid cap indices are off to a great start. I want to mark a tiny group of stocks. Is there any reaction? The pre-open rates were indicating there would be a minor nick here and there, some volatility here and there, but I will not use the word panic. I think this is more like a knee-jerk reaction and hardly a reaction, 1% here or there. You don't use the word sell-off here. I think markets in a sense have now matured enough to understand the real positioning of a tiny group of stocks in terms of leverage, in terms of their debt profile, in terms of the ability to raise capital, the fact that promoters have sold, there is no liquidity crunch per se, which is what some of the concerns were, and I think all those concerns have been allayed. So markets are just not reacting to the new sort of reports or allegations which have been raised by a Soros-backed entity. But breadth, I think, is the talking point, and I think breadth is once again looking very, very charged up.
Yeah, the breadth is looking charged up. The Nifty not doing anything, so nothing changes really in our lives. In the last 1 week, Nifty has done nothing, but it's okay. We're not complaining. BHEL, that's really been the star all through this week, and they've bagged another order from NTPC for a thermal power project in the state of Chhattisgarh. So let's revisit that stock, 1.25% higher. Remember, yesterday it was the hotel names which really bounced up. I mean, across the board, Lemon Tree, Chalet, Indian Hotels. Massive move in the entire sector, and today too most of these stocks are seeing some buoyancy kick in. I just want to revisit what Sula Vineyard is up to, because reports are indicating that there is likely to be a massive PE offload, a stake of about almost 12.5%. And I think that block deal has already happened, 3.5% lower on Sula as we speak. There's Maruti also. Was a winner yesterday. JP Morgan is now placing Maruti on a positive catalyst watch, so look out for that stock. And maybe Dish TV too, wherein JC Flower, Yes Bank, ARC has reached a compromise now with Subhash Chandra. We don't really track Dish TV that much, not high on liquidity, but 3.5% is where that stock is. And I think that block deal has happened on Sula. That stock is in highlight right now, down as we speak. Geo Financials, once again, multiple block deals and the stock locked in upper circuit. Let me